Welcome back to Junebug Design Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make VIP passes for your birthdays or events. Today we're going to be using this beautiful design from our Etsy shop. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link for you down below. For today's tutorial, you're going to need glossy photo paper, a pack of lanyards. These are 2.5 by 3.5, and they're the perfect size for our design. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. If you need help downloading and printing your Etsy order, you can find the link in the description with a video tutorial on how to download and print Etsy orders. Alright, so we're ready to cut these. These are so simple to make. And we're going to go ahead and start by cutting them. You can use your paper trimmer if you want, or you could just cut them by hand. I usually will just cut them by hand. It's very simple to just cut them by hand. I don't feel like you really need a paper trimmer. If they don't come out completely perfect, it's fine. Also, you can have these personalized at my store. You get 6 personalizations, or you can leave them blank. And if you leave them blank, you could just write in the name. I would use a permanent marker, which would go good with this. This is a glossy paper, which I've left links for you down below. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to grab them and put them in here. Now, these are fitted for these. These are 2.5 by 3.5. And let's see if we could get this open without breaking a nail. Alright, so we got these open. I usually will squeeze the edges to get them open. Okay, and what I do is I push them in like that, and then I'll hold them down on the non-sticky side and slide them in, and then you have them. They are ready. They are ready to go. And then you could just put them on, and they are ready. You can also buy little charms on Amazon and add them, like little rollerblades or little something if you want to add them to here. Another great thing is that they're great party favors, so you know who's in your party. And also, once the kids take these home, they can use them for their ID for school because it's the same size of the IDs. So these are great. If you like this tutorial, please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. And like always, thank you for watching. See you next time.